Hi everyone, my name is Roana Ardimamay and I'm from Sitio Matanan, Bibingkahan, Sorsogon City. I'm 36 years old and will be 37 on 11th of May. I'm a mom of 2 kids and I'm also a wife. I love to spend quality time with my family. You will ask why I decide to go back to school. I decide to go back to school because it's always been my parents' hope that I would finish my studies, which gave me the motivation to pursue my education again. I am currently a student at Sorsogon State University, pursuing a Bachelor of Technology degree with a major in electrical. In my free time as a mother, most of my hobbies now revolve around household chores like cleaning, laundry, and cooking. When I have free time, I also like to garden and relax by watching TV, spending time outdoors with my family. My college journey has been a whirlwind of learning and growth. I faced challenges, of course, but I've also had opportunity to work on some incredible projects and meet amazing people. The most memorable part of my college experience so far has been when we go to Rizal Beach. Our plans to finish the project took a spontaneous turn when we decided to go for a swim. It was a refreshing break that allows us to bond over shared experiences and help me feel more connected to my team despite the age difference. Electrical technology wasn't my first choice, but it was the only option available. However, as I progressed in my studies, I started to appreciate more. The course tested my patience, especially when we had to rewind a motor. It was so frustrating that I almost gave up. I realized that with determination and perseverance, I could accomplish anything. My favorite part of studying electrical technology is the hands-on experience. I love working in the lab, conducting motor rewind and building circuits. The future is uncertain, but I have faith that with God's help, I find my way and achieve my dreams surrounded by the love of my family.